What's up guys, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson we're going to be learning about the G harmonic minor scale. Now in order to build the G harmonic minor scale, there are two methods that we can use. The first method has to do with tweaking the G natural minor scale. The second method has to do with using the formula. Now in this lesson we're going to be using both methods. So yeah, let's start. So using the first method, first of all, just to remind you, the G natural minor scale looks like this. See that? That is the G natural minor scale. Now we want to build the G harmonic minor scale. So all we have to do is just increase the seventh note of the G natural minor scale by a half step, and that is going to give us the G harmonic minor scale. So yeah, let's do that. So starting from the key of G, we're going to count the notes as we move up the scale. So starting from the key of G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the seventh note would have been the key of F if we were building the G natural minor scale. However, because we are building the G harmonic minor scale, the seventh note is going to be the key of F sharp. See that? So the seventh note has been increased by a half step. See that? The seventh note for the G natural minor scale is the key of F, but the seventh note of the G harmonic minor scale is the key of F sharp. See that? The seventh note of the G natural minor scale has been increased by a half step. See that? And then we're going to finish on the key of G. So let's do that again. So starting from the key of G. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is the G harmonic minor scale. Now the other method that we could have used to build the G harmonic minor scale is to use the formula. Now just before we use the formula, just to remind you, whenever you move from one key to the next key without skipping any key, that is known as moving by a half step. So for example, if you move from the key of G to the key of A flat, you've not skipped any key. You've moved from one key to the next key. Therefore, that means that you've moved by a half step. Now, whenever you move from one key to another key and you skip one key in between, then that means that you've moved by a whole step. You know what I mean? Now, whenever you move from one key to another key and you skip two keys in between, then that means that you've moved by 1.5 steps. Now I'm just defining these terms because we are going to be using these terms in the formula for building the G harmonic minor scale. So yeah, let's use the second method, which is by using the formula to build the G harmonic minor scale. So starting from the key of G, so we want to build the G harmonic minor scale. So starting from the key of G, we're going to take a whole step, and then a half step, and then a whole step, and then a whole step, and then a half step, and then 1.5 steps, and then a half step. So that is the G harmonic minor scale. See that? Using both methods, we got the same answer. So yeah, that's it for this lesson, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.